Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI generator, which is NightCafe. So let's dive into it. NightCafe is a popular AI art generator that's super easy to use and packed with features for both beginners and experienced creators. You type a prompt, pick a style or model, and it generates image quickly. It also has a community features where you can explore other people's creation, participate in challenges, and remix artwork. The pros include a strong image quality, frequent update with new styles and model, multiple generation model mode, and a large library of users creation you can draw inspiration from. On the downside, NightCafe use a credit system for generation, so every users might find cost add up over time. Some image can fill it or miss depending on prompt details, and the advanced fine-tuning isn't as deep as what you get with pros tools like Midjourney or Leonardo. So talking about the cons include the credit cost money, occasional inconsistent result, and fewer advanced control for power users. So my opinion, the NightCafe is absolutely worth using in 2025. It's one of the most versatile and user-friendly AI art tools out there, especially if you want creative flexibility and a strong community backing. For casual and serious creators alike, it's one of the best options available out there. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review. You're welcome.